Cure Insurance Company recently filed a lawsuit against me, accusing me of launching a quote-unquote smear campaign against the insurance company to protect my firm's financial interests. Now, this is going to come as quite a shocker, but this is quite a lie. I have no problem with people choosing lower insurance coverage, as long as it is an informed decision. As long as people fully understand all the risks of driving underinsured. But that's not what Cure is doing. When Cure's lawsuit says, I'm doing this just to make more money, understand it's only one of us who is recklessly putting people's lives at risk just to sell more insurance policies and make more money. I wrote my blog about Cure after Cure's CEO, Eric Poe, appeared in media interviews saying that insurance agents recommend higher coverage to people so they can increase their commissions. This is an incredibly reckless thing to say. If people rely on Eric Poe without understanding the risks of driving underinsured, then Cure is intentionally putting these people at risk of enormous harm when they get in a serious car accident just so Cure can make more money and sell more insurance. If people fully understand the risks, by the way, then I'm fine with people choosing lower PIP medical limit policies or lower bodily injury limits. But what I object to is failing to fully inform people of the risks of driving underinsured. Saying higher insurance coverage is just so agents can make more money, so Cure can sell more policies, is literally prioritizing profits over people's lives. And by the way, contrary to Cure's assertions, if my motivations for speaking out were purely financial, I wouldn't be a supporter of auto no-fault insurance in Michigan. I support no-fault because it's what's best for car accident victims, even though it's financially worse for me. In states without no-fault insurance, which are often called pure tort states, auto accident attorneys make a claim for all the harms and losses after a crash. In Michigan, it's different because so much is paid by auto no-fault. Attorneys here lose probably 30 to 50% of most of the full value of a case because it is already being paid by no-fault. My dad told me when I started my career that you have to really like people and really want to help them. This is also why I've been speaking out about what Cure is doing. This is also why Cure's lawsuit accusing me of financial motivations for speaking out against them is so ludicrous. It's projection and confession. If I were doing this just for the money, I'd be getting on TV like Cure's CEO is and dangerously misinforming drivers that the reason agents recommend full coverage isn't to fully protect them if they are involved in a terrible crash, but so agents can make bigger commissions. And that's what this lawsuit is really about. Cure wants to silence me because I've been speaking out that Cure is not informing drivers of all the truly devastating things that can happen to them and their families if they get badly hurt in a car accident while driving underinsured. When Cure's lawsuit says I'm doing this just to make more money, understand only one of us is recklessly putting people's lives at risk just to sell more insurance policies and make more money. And it's not me.